In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. Then selecting Agree in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and access Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!